I love my shed, but the problem is that there's so much wasted space at the top. I feel like surely there's more to it. Surely there is more.
Well, did you know you can actually get a shelf kit and utilize the space better?
No, I didn't know that. But you know what? Ever since you said that, it's so appealing to me. Go for it. Show me what to do.
All right, guys, in this video, we're going to do just that. We're going to use the shelf kit, add some shelves, and that way we can even put paint trays, little brushes. We can have a little city in there.
Oh, that's going to be so nice.
Okay, you ready to go?
I'm going to leave you to it because I'm going to make myself a cup of tea and good luck.
By the time you come back, you should be done.
Thank you.
Well, that is pretty much it.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so each shelf, these are kind of like half shelves, by the way. They don't go all the way wide, which is actually perfect because if you have a long tool, you can still use the long stuff and have the shelf stuffs. And each of the shelf has two little brackets. One goes in the middle and the other one screws in. See where these little indents are? Screws in kind of like that or like that. And then the shelf gets screwed in on top and that's it, everyone's happy. So we just need to decide what heights do we want the shelves. So I reckon maybe mid-height is good. So maybe one from here, and then maybe every two, one right at the top for a little bit. It's pretty cool. So it just rubs up against the plastic and screws in. Well, that is pretty much it. Just like that, boom. Myself a nice shelf. And you can make it double secure because it comes with little screws here that you can actually screw in from the underside just to lock it into place and make sure it doesn't slide off. So that's all right, pretty easy. I think, yeah, it's pretty all right. Do you need to use the official kit? Probably not. Probably you can just play with it and make it yourself. I use the original kit, it's pretty much easy enough. You can also just get the brackets on its own without the actual plastic shelf. You can just use wood instead and that will be cheaper. But yeah, it's pretty all right. And it says right here, it can hold maybe 3 kg, maybe 6 kg in total. It does seem pretty forceful. I guess the good thing about it is on the frame rather than just purely on the plastic.
Okay, I cannot wait to see how you manage with the shelves. Let's open up and see.
Okay, get ready.
Yes.
Open up with me.
Yes, let's do it. Oh my gosh. You know, that is amazing. There is so much more storage. I love how you used the height of the shed because this was such a redundant space and you actually organized it into trays and rollers and
yeah, you got your rollers here, your brushes, your trays. Got a lot of painting tools here. I suggest you don't buy any more. Now, you can fit in more shelves. I just wanted to make it a bit spacious.
Yeah, I agree.
And the pack that I got the 3 shelf packs. I actually got a spare shelf.
Wow.
That means maybe we're gonna get another one of these storage cabinets.
Oh my goodness.
And put the shelf in there.
Yes.
Have some fun.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Sick, congratulations.
Thank you. I love my new shed.
Also, not just shelves, you can also get these little hooks. And these hooks are a lot easier to install. They just go in the actual existing holes like that. There you go.
Nice.
And you go, look at this.
So I can put a spade on it or something.
Yeah, try it out.
Oh my goodness.
Try it out.
Shall I?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Shut the front door.
Or
That is
even
too
if
cool.
you're OCD like me, you're gonna get your rollers, put them all there.
Oh my gosh.
Your
thank
brushes,
you.
go mental.
You can go mental. Oh, so many possibilities. Okay guys, if like me, you've enjoyed this show, make sure you give us a like, a subscribe, and we hope you found this video useful. And of course, enjoyed the show.
The power of screwing around.
Oh yeah.
It should be one of those Bunnings adverts, isn't it?
It should be. Okay guys.
Wow, it's amazing.
That's what I was trying to emulate.
Well, that is pretty much it.